Let's take a closer look at this Mueller emulsifier, which I use all the time. It is so handy. There are so many attachments. Let me go through them for you. First of all, you have the emulsifier that snaps right into place. And all you have to do is plug it in, and then I use it to mix my mayonnaise, my chia seed pudding. It also can detach this piece, and then you can attach another piece and you have a whipper for your coffee or your lattes. You can use it as a mixer. It has 12 different speeds that you can operate. It has a turbo boost, and it also has a power of about 800 watts. And then you can also use it as a food processor. You put it on, and then you detach the attachment, and then you put it right on top. It snaps in, and now you can use it as a mini food processor. There are so many different ways to use this emulsifier. It has, again, the milk frother. It has the mixer. It has the emulsifier, and you can also use it as a food processor. It was one of the best investments I have ever made, and I highly recommend this Mueller emulsifier.